Hi everyone on this channel. I publish Microsoft PowerPoint templates, tips and tricks. If you want to create new design and animations on PowerPoint, you are in right place now. And today's topic that I cover here on the channel is how to convert presentation into a video file. Watch and learn the simple tricks of presentation package right after the code. After you have created your presentation, you can save it as a video to share it with your friends or colleagues. Click the File tab from the Home menu. Click on the Export option in Open menu. Then select Create Video. And you can choose presentation quality of your choice. Then choose Timing and Narration, or you can either choose default timing and narration for your slides, or configure timing and narration below. Then click Create Video button. Choose a location. Type file name and click Save. In this moment, you should wait till the presentation finishes converting into a video file. It will take some time depending on number of slides and the quality dimensions that you have chosen. This video can be built in Windows, Mac or on a mobile device as well. So I hope you guys found this a very useful video. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit that bell icon to see upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.